What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be starting a new series. So I already have my Truth or Drink series, then I have my Mystery Box series. This is the third series here on my channel, which is going to be a diet swap. So I'm going to be swapping diets with a bunch of my fellow creator friends. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. I try out their diet, they try out my diet, and that's how it's going to go. For the first episode, I had to go with Gopali because she is the queen of like food challenges. So I had to do the first episode with her. Now these videos are going to be spaced out. Unlike the Mystery Box and the Truth or Drink, it's not going to happen every month. It might happen every other month because I need my diet to change as well, right? Otherwise it'll get repetitive for you guys. So yeah, let's just get started with episode 1 with Gopali. I tried out her diet and it was pretty interesting. So yeah, let's just get started.
Hello guys, hello Mridul. So firstly all the best क्योंकि मेरी वाली डाइट फॉलो करनी है, थोड़ी सी weird है, but I hope you guys will have fun watching this and Mridul, you'll have some yummy food, I hope. So I start my day by having a glass of water और उसके बाद ऐसे ही चलते फिरते soaked almonds और walnuts. Talking about breakfast, you guys know I love मसाला वाली चाय and भाकरी. वो मेरा मतलब 90% of the time वही मेरा breakfast होता है. That is like comfort food to me and I just love it. So I want कि मृदुल भी वो ट्राई करे. मस्त चाय भाकरी और उसके साथ कोई भी एक फ्रूट, मतलब मैं मेजरली इलायची वाले केला या फिर मैंगो, ये दोनों में से कोई एक चीज प्रेफर करती हूँ. So yes.
Hi guys, good morning. So I just woke up and I am already hungry. I usually wake up feeling very hungry. So I'm excited for today's breakfast. Today we're gonna have breakfast in bed. So jaldi se jaake let's prepare everything and come back and enjoy today's breakfast curated by Gopali. Okay, so my breakfast is served. It looks actually really nice and it's very different for me, so I'm excited. So the first thing that I'm supposed to do is have a glass of water, which is perfect. मैं भी यही करती हूँ सुबह. Not gonna lie, मैंने already एक glass पानी पी लिया है because मुझे उठते ही तुरंत पानी चाहिए. But for you guys, I'll drink one more glass of water. Next, I'm supposed to have some soaked walnuts and almonds. Obviously almonds मैंने soaked खाया है, but I've never had soaked walnuts. So if you don't like the taste of walnuts, try soaking them and eating them because you can't taste like the bitter जो undertone होता है ना walnuts का. So this is nice, very soft and very easy to eat. Now moving on to the actual breakfast, Gopali every single morning has bhakri with chai. So bhakri मैंने खाया है obviously before, but never really with chai. So let's try it out. I did order the bhakri bahar se because my mom doesn't know how to make it and I just thought the process of making it is a little bit complicated. So bahar se maine bhakri order kiya. I think this is the only thing that I'm going to be ordering bahar se because lunch I'm going to be making, even dinner I'm going to be making. So stay tuned for that. And then we have some chai. I did make the chai in regular milk. I have been having regular milk the past few days and my entire face has been breaking out like crazy. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but they're huge pimples. But I thought I should make it in like real milk because Gopali has it in real milk. So आज के लिए भी मैं real milk ही पीऊँगी. And then we have some elaichi kelas which I love. So I know this breakfast is gonna fill me up for a really long time. I think डुबा के खाते हैं इसको. This is so nice. बहुत ही wholesome meal है. मेरे नाना नानी भी यही खाते हैं actually breakfast के लिए. भाकरी and tea या फिर रोटी and tea. Also I decided to wear yellow PJs because for me, मेरे दिमाग में when I think of Gopali, I associate her to the color yellow because of like how fun and vibrant her personality is. So जानबूझ के मैं yellow PJs में सोने गई ताकि I wake up with that vibe, if that makes any sense. Anyway, I'm gonna go finish my breakfast and then I'll catch you guys for lunch. for the get ready with me. So I've showered and I'm ready for the day. I threw on a kurti and a pair of ethnic earrings because I feel like she looks so pretty in Indian, and I think she also really likes Indian on her, so I thought this was the vibe I should go for. I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup, nothing like over the top because Gopali likes to keep it very like subtle and natural, so just gonna do a very light base because we are filming, so a no makeup look. And I think I'm also gonna throw on a little bit of kajal because even though Gopali doesn't wear a lot of kajal, I think she looks so nice when she puts a little bit of kajal. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll catch you for lunch. So I'm ready, the makeup is done. Let's go have some lunch, actually make some lunch. And the menu for the lunch sounds very tempting.
अब बारी है लंच की, तो क्योंकि मेरे और मृदुल के बीच में गुजरात कॉमन है तो मुझे उसको गुजराती फूड नहीं देना था, सो आई गेव हर दिस रेसिपी ऑफ दही वाले आलू. ये यूपी की बहुत फेमस रेसिपी है एंड आई लव इट. मतलब बहुत ऐसे बहुत सिंपल डिश है बट इट इज वेरी 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 फ्लेवरफुल. तो मैंने लंच में दही वाले आलू, राइस, रोटी और रॉ अनियंस. आई होप मृदुल को दही वाले आलू की रेसिपी अच्छी लगे. Yeah.
Okay, so for this recipe, I'm gonna start off with a little bit of ghee or tel, and then उसमें hing डाल दिया, जीरा डाल दिया. Then I added some potatoes which I had already boiled. So I just added those in, and then for 2 to 3 minutes I stirred them around and let them just get a little bit crispy. After that, I added the chas with some water in to make it like very watery, and I was supposed to mix it in for almost 10 minutes, and you cannot stop mixing this क्योंकि वरना वो chas फट जाएगा. So make sure to keep mixing it and stirring it well. Then I added in the paste of a chili and coriander. Now while this was simmering on the side, I made a tadka in ghee. उसमें मैंने add की मिर्ची and उसमें also I added finely chopped garlic and then added that into this. And then that's it. Voila, it's ready.
So finally lunch is ready. So I have the dahi wale aloo which we already made. Then I have some rice, roti, and she also asked me to chop some onions, raw onions to eat on the side. So let's do a taste test. I'm gonna be honest, I already tasted the dahi wale aloo while cooking it because I needed to make sure that the namak was right, but I haven't actually tried the aloo, so let's go for it. It's so good. I honestly would make this again, like even if it wasn't for a video, because it tastes so good. I think Gopali और मेरा taste bud काफी similar है. So since she likes this, I also love it. I think this is one of her favorite dishes और सब्जीज, and I can see why. अगर कभी टाइम हो ये जरूर बना के देखना because it's so delicious, and I anyway love dahi, so this is amazing. This actually will taste really good with chawal also, which is perfect. If I had to rate my lunch, I would rate it 10 on 10. It's so good. So lunch is done. एकदम ही पेट भर गया. 1-2 घंटे के लिए तो I am sorted for sure. I think in this lighting you can actually see some of my breakouts. This is because of drinking milk. So कल से definitely I'm not having any milk. आज के दिन के लिए चला लूँगी because snacks में I think I'm supposed to have coffee. तो उसमें भी मैं like real original milk use करूँगी to get the full feel of it. But अभी के लिए I'm gonna just do some work and I'll catch you guys in a little bit.
मुझे ना हर मील के बाद थोड़ा थोड़ा कुछ मीठा खाने का मन करता है. छोटी सी डेयरी मिल्क का टुकड़ा या एक Ferrero Rocher, तो मैंने बोला था मील के बाद वो ले लेना.
So Gopali had asked me to have Ferrero Rocher या फिर dairy milk, almond dairy milk after my lunch, and I had bought it but I ate the whole thing, so I had to go out and buy another box, and सब 4 बजे बंद हो जाता, so it was a struggle trying to like find a shop that is open, but I found it and I've sanitized it, so I'm just gonna eat one or maybe 2. Let me know in the comments down below how you eat your Ferrero Rocher. Pehle I used to have the patience to like eat it layer by layer, but now I don't have that anymore. I don't think I've ever met anyone who doesn't like Ferrero. I'm not a big like chocolate person, but I still really like Ferrero, and I could eat the whole box, but I won't. I'll eat one more and then I'm gonna stop.
कमिंग टू इवनिंग स्नैक, मुझे शाम को चाय अभी थोड़ी कम अच्छी लग रही है क्योंकि थोड़ी गर्मी गर्मी वाला माहौल है। तो शाम को आई हैव आइस्ड लाटे आप जो भी बोलो वो, बेसिक ठंडी वाली बर्फ वाली कॉफी, और उसके साथ या तो आलू सेव हो गई या तो प्रिंगल्स वो देसी तड़का वाला आता है, वो मुझे काफी अच्छा लगता है।
Okay, time for evening snack. So I've made my iced latte right here. Gopali asked me to add very less sugar, so it's a little bit bitter. And साथ में I'm gonna have these Pringles. So these are the desi masala tadka flavored Pringles. I ordered these a while ago, and I'm gonna be honest, आधा तो मैं खा चुकी हूँ. So just to give you a review of it, let me actually refresh the taste. This is one of our favorites and it's not bad, but I'm not the biggest fan, but I'll eat a few of course, and then I'll finish this up, and then I should be full for an hour. And just in case I get hungry again, Gopali has given me another snack that I can make, so let's see, if I get hungry we'll have that. So finally it's dinner time. Let's see what I'm supposed to have for dinner.
कमिंग टू डिनर, मैं डिनर में ओट्स चीला जो आते हैं वो मुझे काफी अच्छे लगते हैं। एक ओट्स चीला काफी फुलफिलिंग हो जाता है। डिनर मुझे इतना हैवी नहीं चाहिए होता है, हल्का हल्का चलता है, रात को फिर ज्यादा चक्कर चक्कर करने में मजा आता है। बट या डिनर में ओट्स चीला या फिर ब्रोकली वाले राइस, जिसमें बहुत अच्छी खासी ब्रोकली और बहुत सारे वेजिटेबल्स पड़ी होते हैं और थोड़े से राइस। तो ये हो गया डिनर।
So for the broccoli rice, again I'm gonna start off with some ghee or tel. उसमें I'm gonna add a little bit of jeera, and then in this I'm gonna add the puree of a tomato, chili, ginger, mix it all together again. Then I'm gonna add in the veggies, which is my capsicum and broccoli, of course. Again, mix it all together. Then I added some paneer. You can also add soya bean. That's what Gopali told me, but I just went with paneer. A little bit of haldi powder, jeera powder, garam masala, and amchur. And then obviously add in the rice with some water. And then just do 2 seties and your broccoli rice is gonna be ready.
So this is what my broccoli rice looks like. It was very easy to make actually. I think it took me 15 minute max to make the whole thing. मैंने actually बिल्कुल भी अभी तक taste नहीं किया है, so I don't know salt कम है या ज़्यादा है, but Aditya did try it and he actually really liked it. He's a very fussy eater, like he doesn't like a lot of things. So if he likes this, it's supposed to be bomb. Let's do my first taste test on camera. Salt थोड़ा कम है, that's obviously my fault, but it's actually really nice. It's like making a pulao, but there's like a spin on the ingredients with the broccoli and the capsicum and paneer. It's very nice. I'm sure this is gonna fill me up again for like an hour or 2. So that's one pattern that I've noticed with all the meals that Gopali has. सारे ही बहुत ही फिलिंग और होलसम है।
कमिंग टू द मोस्ट फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ दिस वीडियो, या मेरे पूरे दिन में भी आप बोल लो, मिडनाइट स्नैक्स। मुझे बहुत मजा आती है रात को चक्कर चक्कर करते हुए कुछ देखने की और गप्पे मारने की, फोन पे बात करने की। मेजरली मैं आलू सेव या ऐसा कुछ ही खा रही होती हूँ, बट अब मैंने ट्राई किया है कि मैं खाने थोड़ा कम करूँ रात को। सो आई डू हैव वाटरी चाय। ये अपनी मसाले वाली चाय नहीं होती, थोड़ी इंग्लिश टी जैसी होती है। चाय अलग होती है, अलग बनती है, फिर उसमें मिल्क आप डालते हो, फिर आप ऐसे स्टिर करते हो, देन यू हैव दैट सिप सिप वाली। इसमें मुझे सिनेमन हो गया, इलायची हो गई, हल्की सी जिंजर हो गई, इन सबके फ्लेवर्स वाली चाय ज्यादा अच्छी लगती है। आई हैव हनी इन दिस चाय, चीनी नहीं। सो यस, दिस इज हाउ आई एंड माई डे। एंड या आई होप मृदुल सब ठीक रहा अगले दिन सवेरे मेरा वाला खाना खाने के बाद। एंड आई होप यू गाइज आर एंजॉयिंग वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।
So it's been I think 2 घंटे के ऊपर हो गया डिनर करके, and it's time for our midnight snack. So it's not a snack, it's a drink, as you can see, which I don't understand. Why would you have chai at night? You're trying to sleep, there's caffeine in it, it makes no sense. But this is called pani wali chai, so it's like watery chai, but she also asked me to add cinnamon, ginger, elaichi and honey. So it's a little bit different. मैंने कभी cinnamon add नहीं किया चाय में, and it smells very nice. So let's just do a taste test. So I mean, I like chai, but I'm not like a fan of chai, so I don't have much to say when it comes to this. But it's nice. I'll drink it. It's nice to have like a warm drink before you go to bed. I usually like to have like haldi water. So this is nice, like a nice क्या बोलते हैं, substitute. I'm just gonna enjoy this and call it a night.
And yeah, that's it for today's video. I enjoyed this thoroughly. It was such a blast. I loved, what was it called? Dahi wale aloo. Favorite dish ever. I ate it for 2 days. I made like a little bit extra, so I had it the next day as well, and it was amazing. I'm definitely going to be making it again. Broccoli rice was also very, very good, very healthy and filling. So yeah, this is a really fun experience. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this new series. Please let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. Of course, let me know whom you want me to do the next episode with, and I think that's it. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, and follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.
अबे तेल गरम होने के बाद जीरा डाल।
ऐसे डालते
अरे पागल है क्या? तड़तड़ता नहीं है फिर उसको टेस्ट ही नहीं छूटता है।
पीछे से भी फूटता है, कुछ भी मत बोल।
ये पार्ट है ना, म्यूट मत करना, रखना इसमें, और पब्लिक क्या बोलते हैं देख फिर।
You act too smart.
You have to popcorn that.
Actually, snacks के बाद Gopali has asked me to have some Ferrero Rocher.
लंच के बाद,
तो मैंने लंच ही बोला।
स्नैक्स के बाद बोला। ये मेरा अक्खा जिंदगी तो इसको करेक्ट करने में ही जाता है, पार्ट 1000। तो गोपाली रात को ब्रोकली राइस करते हैं?
रोज नहीं, कभी कभार खाते हैं।
तो जिस दिन वो ऐसा डोमिनोज या मैकडोनल्ड्स 24 आवर्स करे, वो दिन का डाइट कुछ नहीं कर सकते क्या?